Hi, my name is Jordi, and I am one of the engineers building Fewsats, a platform that allows you to monetize your files, data, and APIs. Today, I would like to show you how to interact with our storage service. With us, it's really easy to upload and host a file that is globally accessible behind a paywall implementing the L402 protocol. For that, we're going to need a couple of things. The first one is going to be a file. In this case, we're going to use the Bitcoin paper PDF. And the second thing is going to be the Fewsats CLI, that it's basically the CLI that is going to help us to interact with our platform. I already have it installed. If you don't yet, you can get it in our GitHub. There are multiple releases there. So what we're going to do is upload the Bitcoin paper behind a paywall of 5 cents. For that, we can use the storage subcommand, storage upload. And basically, it tells us that it needs multiple things. For example, the name of the file, the description, and the price that we want to sell it for. I already have it here. So it's basically the Bitcoin PDF for 5 cents. It's in US dollars. And this is basically the price that everyone who wants to download this file has to pay in order to access for this resource. Perfect. When the command is done, we see that what we get is a download URL that it's basically the api.fewsats.com with download/ and a UUID. That's the ID of our file. And anyone that has a client that implements the L402 protocol can now pay and download this file. Let's try to download it using the curl command line tool. It's basically a tool that implements the HTTP protocol. However, when we use it, what we see is that what curl sees is that there is a payment required. Curl does not implement the L402 protocol yet. And until then, what we can use is any of the many tools that actually implement the L402 protocol. There are tools from Albi that implement this. There are some from our friends at Zulu that also implement the L402 protocol. Or we can use the implementation that is already in the Fewsats CLI. So basically, we can use the one in download. And we see that basically it's asking us for the file ID of the file that we want to download. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the Bitcoin PDF from our file system, already removed. Basically, if we say now, can you show me what you know about the Bitcoin PDF file? It says like, listen, it does not exist. And then we are going to use our CLI to download it. Storage, download, and this is the file that we're interested in. And what we see is that it says like, okay, this is the URL that we are trying to download it from. It's asking us for a payment. It's giving us a Lightning invoice, in this case of 75 sats, that it's today's price for 5 cents, and it's asking us if we want to continue or not. Our CLI can be connected to different wallets. In this case, it's connected to an Albi one, and it's what we're going to use to pay this 75 cents. And what is going to happen is that after the invoice has been paid, we are able to complete and create the credentials for downloading the file. And the next time that we hit the paywall, we are able to show that we already pay an invoice for this file or this resource, and we're able to download it. So this is it. Basically, we're our platform. It's really easy to upload files behind a paywall, globally accessible, using the L402 and the Lightning Network protocols. We are building more tools for monetize many other digital things, for example, databases. So I hope that I can see you soon when there is a new release of Fewsats.